Back at Yonah Dam, getting that therapy, boy. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of Fishing is Therapy. It's your host, Chris. I'm out here at Yonah Dam, man, getting ready to go after some striped fish, some white bass, some hybrids, some stripers. Hopefully we can get on to them. I think it's going to be a pretty good day. It's going to be rain in and out of the forecast, but I think we're going to have a really good time, all right? I got the kayak out here. I'm going to paddle out there on the kayak. I got some live bait. Got a bunch of bluegill in there, some green sunfish, and a couple of creek chubs, all right? So let's go after it. What we're gonna do when we get out there on the kayak is throw out with some live bait for gar, catfish, stripers, whatever bites. And then right now I'm gonna throw from the bank right over pretty much at that line over there and see if I can get onto some fish on some swim baits, all right? Stay tuned. Got a fish. Oh. Oh. I'm in this damn corner. Oh. Oh. Huh? Okay. Oh. He's fighting in his current. I think it's a catfish. Yeah. Yeah, cat. Oh. Come on. Come on. Yes. Finally. Finally. Oh. Hey, I had to just ride it out. Woo! Got one, y'all. Finally, I'm gonna go put him on the stringer. Woo! Broke the skunk at Yonah Dam, y'all. All right, let's get out and get him. Broke my skunk here, man. Finally. He a good one too. Look at that. A nice little eater too. Broke it on an eater. Look at that. Swallowed it. Oh nope, he only hooked right there in the roof of the mouth. Easy. Easy. Easy like a Sunday morning. That's a good one though, y'all. We get him on the stringer and get back out there for another one. Got him, y'all. Got a catfish. Let's go. Make sure I don't lose him. Yep, got a catfish. There we go. Got it. That's the one I just caught right there. Nice little pan size. Yeah. We tried to take it, but He couldn't. Probably smaller catfish right there. But I'm gonna keep it ready now. Look, now they want to bite. As soon as I turn off my camera, they want to bite. Here we go. Got him. Got him. Oh, he came unbuttoned. He came unbuttoned. See if I can throw that right back out there and catch him again. He came undone. Okay, I'm gonna go with about that size right there. About that size, 1/0 circle hook. Should definitely be able to button him up now. Right there. That's where I'm gonna catch him. Got him, y'all. Buttoned him nut that time. Current. Keep him out the current. Got him. Look at that. Man, these catfish fight so hard in the current. Oh. Good one. There we go. Huh? Yeah, another cat. That's a good one right there. All of these are eaters. We catch them pretty much, so that's the day. I don't know why. We wanted gar too. Stripers and everything, but for some reason not hitting today at least. I'm making another cast out here. Got a little piece of cut bait. I would have liked the bluegill head, but I'm gonna throw this for right now, right along that wall right there, and I'm just throwing it right in that holder. And this what's funny is every time I turn off my cameras I get a bite, so I'm gonna try to keep it on for y'all this time around so you can see the action. But I don't have my external battery, which helps me be able to keep my camera on all day long and catch the cast to catch and everything. But right now I just have a battery in because I'm on a kayak, and you see the treacherous waters out here by a dam, and you know I didn't want to have anything that could get water damage, you know. So oh. Yep, I thought I was hung up. I think I got one. Maybe. Oh, yep. Got one. Perch head. Yellow perch head. It's a good one. It's a good one. Look at that. Tangled me up and everything. Good hook set. Right in the lip. Right through the upper nose. I'm gonna keep this catfish up here because I'm gonna fish once more. Alright guys, so it was a pretty good day. Sorry for the shoddy footage, but the catfish were biting so sporadically. Look at that. Sunfish Assassin got that big old flathead right there. And we caught some nice catfish today, okay? So Hey guys, thanks for staying tuned to another episode of Fishing is Therapy. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hey, Yonah down. Peace.